In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable dark mode in Asana. If your workspace looks a little too dim and you're ready for a brighter, more classic view, this walkthrough will get you there quickly and confidently. We'll move through the settings together, explain what each option does, and make sure your choice sticks. Start by opening Asana and heading to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo or your initials in a small circle. Click that to open a quick menu. In that menu, select Settings. This opens a pop-up window where all your personal preferences live, so you can adjust how Asana looks and feels without affecting anyone else's view. Inside the settings window, look for the Display tab. It's usually listed alongside other tabs like Profile and Notifications. Click Display to reveal the visual options. This is where Asana groups theme and appearance controls, so everything related to light and dark mode is easy to find in one place. Within Display, find the section labeled Appearance. You'll see theme choices here. To turn off dark mode, choose light. This forces Asana to stay in a bright theme across the app, regardless of what your computer is doing. If your computer is already set to use a light theme and you prefer to keep your apps in sync, you can select Sync with System instead. That option tells Asana to follow your device's overall theme setting. For example, if your system switches to light during the day and dark at night, Sync with System will make Asana change along with it. If you want Asana to stay light all the time and never switch back to dark unexpectedly, pick Light rather than Sync with System. As soon as you select Light or Sync with System, you should see the preview update in the background. Take a moment to confirm the contrast and brightness look comfortable for your eyes and your display. If text feels too stark, remember you can always return to these settings later and adjust again. When you're happy with your choice, make sure to save. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the settings window and click it to apply your change. After saving, your theme preference should be set and you won't need to refresh the page. You can close the settings window and continue working with your new, lighter interface. That's it. You've successfully disabled dark mode in Asana. Enjoy the brighter workspace, and remember, you can revisit these settings anytime to fine-tune your experience.